You've been making pasta salad the wrong way all your life and you didn't know it. Start by turning on the stove and boiling a liter of water. Add a teaspoon of salt, a simple but crucial detail. While waiting for the water to boil, reflect on common pasta preparation mistakes. Many cook pasta in unsalted water or overboil it, resulting in a bland and unappetizing texture. Avoiding these mistakes is a step towards elevating your dish. When the water is boiling vigorously, add 250 grams of pasta. Choose a variety that holds sauce well, like fusilli or penne. As the pasta cooks, take the time to prepare the sauce that will completely transform your salad. In a large bowl, mix 300 grams of cream with 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 of mustard, a teaspoon of salt, and a pinch of black pepper. The selection of these ingredients is intentional. Each contributes a key element. Cream adds richness and smoothness. Mayonnaise introduces a creamy texture, mustard offers a spicy touch, and black pepper adds a subtle warmth that awakens the flavors. Watch the pasta. The perfect point is al dente, cooked but still firm to the bite. This is the secret to a pasta salad that maintains its integrity, even after being mixed with the sauce. Once the pasta is ready, drain it and immediately add it to the sauce mixture. Now, the master touch. Add 200 grams of cubed ham and 150 grams of diced mozzarella cheese. Add a can of drained corn for a subtle sweetness and a nice crunch. Cut half a red pepper into small pieces, introducing a burst of color and vibrant freshness. For a final touch, finely chop a branch of cilantro or parsley according to your preference. These herbs not only add a fresh aroma, but also introduce a subtle, herbaceous flavor that elevates the dish. The combination of all these ingredients is not just a culinary task, but an act of love and creativity. Observe how each component complements and enhances each other, creating a pasta salad that is much more than the sum of its parts. By serving this salad, you are not only presenting a delicious dish, but also sharing an enriching culinary experience. It's a perfect recipe for any occasion, from a family meal to a gathering with friends. And most importantly, each time you prepare this salad, you'll remember that in cooking, as in life, there's always room to learn, improve, and amaze. Finally, a warm greeting to our followers in Chile, whose support and enthusiasm for our recipes constantly inspire us. We hope this pasta salad not only satisfies your palate, but also brings you moments of happiness and togetherness. Enjoy your meal and keep exploring the wonderful world of cooking.